Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Hope is a renewable option. If you run out of it at the end of the day, you get to start over again in the morning. How cool is that, right? Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 50, NASDAQ down 3.5, S&P's off 3.5, gold contract up $4.80, trading at $1,129 an ounce. Silver up a penny at $14.77 an ounce. Platinum down $3.50 at $9.32 a pound. Light sweet crude off $164 at $44.72 a barrel. The oil market, folks, took it on the chin today. Now, the price doesn't look bad. The price spread was large, couple dollars. The volume expanded in a big way. What I expect you're going to see out on here tomorrow, we're going to have a tough day in the oil market. This oil market's going to make its run back to 42 to 40 bucks. It's going to be wild watching this shake out because there was a lot of selling inside that oil market today. King bonds, 10-year down 7 ticks, 127.28. Now, the 10-year got higher intraday. Volume was pretty good. The 10-year looks like it's going to go after its highs of April. Now, the highs of April are the highs in the 10-year. We'll see how it handles that high, but I do expect you're going to make that run in the next 2, 3, 4 days. 30-year. 30-year is down 10 ticks, 155.14. 30-year also made the run. 30-year, however, is going to need more volume. Now, that's a little divergence. We'll see where that shakes out. But bottom line, 30-year does need more volume. King dollar. King dollar down 71 ticks, 96.37. King dollar couldn't handle price. What King dollar did is this. Last 2 days, first day off the low, wasn't bad volume. Yesterday, it contracted by 20,000 contracts into the September 9th downdraft. Today, it failed on price and volume. King dollar wants to pull back down, go try to test out the August 24th high. We'll see how it gets into that high. That high there's 95.42. Euro up 64 at 111, and the yen flat at 120.26. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them, folks. And we have harmony across these markets, and this is what it is. If we use the SPY, what you're going to see is that the SPY today, all the markets, by the way, try to get the higher price. And they got sold each and every time it tried to make mark time into higher price at all. The SPY went to a price point of 194.67. You did 90 million shares. So what that did is this. It got over the highs of yesterday. It closed under the highs of yesterday. The high of yesterday was 194.46. Your volume was 153 million. What does that mean? You get a failure in price and volume. More than likely what this is the C point of an ABC structure on the way down. So what do we have? Your A point is 197.56, which was generated, your A point rather is 202.89, which was generated on the 17th. Your B point is the low of yesterday, which is 192.56, so it's a 10 point. It's a big 10, it's a big A to B leg. Your C point very well could be today. If that's the case, your price projection is 184.67. Well, 187 is the lows of the 25th of August. The 24th of August is 182.40. That's telling me that we're going to go after this low. That's your SPY. NDX 100. 3 Qs. Same setup what the NDX 100 did. NDX 100 today, the Qs go to a price point of 104.66. The high of yesterday was 104.42. We did volume of 47 million yesterday. You did 21 today. Half the volume. Not even half the volume. Couldn't even hold price. A to B equals C to D. Your A point on this is 108.72. Your B is 103.13, so it's at $5.50. Your C is 104.66. Let's say the high of today. What's that give you? $99. And $98.01 is the low that was established out here on the 25th. That's where I figure we are making our run to. Now, let's go take a look at the gold market. What do we have with gold? GCZ5. Okay. Gold market out here today, we need more volume in gold. Nice, not a bad setup, okay, but we need more volume. Gold out here today held price. It was up $4.70. You did 88,000 contracts. We need about 150,000 contracts going into this 1141.50 area. It had 150,000 last time it went up there. This is still building cause for higher price. We'll see how this shakes out tomorrow. Silver, we look at the silver market. What we have with silver is this. Silver just creeped and just saved itself yesterday, from breaking down underneath this $14.42 area. What silver did today is that it got to a lower price point than yesterday, and we had a contraction of volume, and that's what you actually like to see. Yesterday in the silver market, we did 45,000 contracts. The low was 1469. We're at 1475. We tested the low, and we did that with 25,000 contracts. That is what you need in order to get to higher price. Bonds, bottom line, bonds continue to want higher price. This is really wild, watching how this bond market is shaking out. So if we look at the bond market, we start with the 10-year. What we have with the 10-year is this. It did 862,000 contracts. We got to 128.11. Well, the low of the high from August 24th is 128.05. This baby's going to be right back up there. And what I expect you're going to see as you move up into that level, folks, we'll have the 10-year test. You have a 30-year test. The notes, the 2-year notes, the 30-day notes right now, which is still amazing. Bottom line, just running about negative right now. Our 2-year yield is 2.150. King dollar. Now let's take a look at King dollar, because if you're in the metal market, King dollar's a big number. We did 40,000 contracts today. It got to a price point of 96.71. Well, it couldn't even make the swing point. And the thing that is consistent about this is that the last time that King dollar was up, which was on September 3rd and September 4th, it also couldn't make the swing point. This hasn't been able to get to a swing point, higher swing point that is, since August 7th. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back with some numbers for you. Mike Ron's going to be coming out with some numbers. Dow finished down 50. NASDAQ off 4. S&P's down 3. We're going to be right back.